To replace the shredder screen pin on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a pair of needle nose pliers. Use the pliers to pull out the retaining pin securing the old shredder screen pin, and you can slide the pin out. To install the new shredder screen pin, first unthread the 2 retaining knob screws securing the bottom of the discharge chute. Rotate the chute upwards and reposition the lower portion of the shredder screen. Now slide the new pin through the impeller housing and screen and lower the discharge chute. Insert the retaining pin to secure. Then thread and tighten the retaining knob screws.